Yo, guys, just when I thought we were in the clear on getting the VAA Jordan 1s, the Alaskas to drop on the Nike SNKRS app, Nike did a whole Houdini on us, and they have actual proof. There were pairs on the SNKRS app. So what does that mean for us? What does that mean for the Alaska Virgil Archive Jordan 1s? We got to talk about in today's video, man. Let's get right to it. Yo, thank you guys so much for tuning in. We are dropping a little bit earlier of a video today. I was like, man, what's going on with the Jordan 1s? Like, that's the only sneaker I've been thinking about all of April. That's the only sneaker I want. I won't be buying any other shoe except if I find a pair of mine slides in my local Dick's Sporting Goods, something like that. But the Virgils is the only shoe I want. I probably won't even get nothing early this month either. Just might pick it all back up in May and just gonna start going crazy with the early content. But in April, boy, it's really slow. And before we get any further, y'all let me know in the comment section what type of content you do want to see. We gotta make sneaker YouTube great again. I guess I would say I need to form my content around what y'all want to see, my audience. So if y'all want to see something in particular, y'all let me know in the comment section. I'm super interested in knowing how we can tweak the content around, what we can do different here and there. So it'd be greatly appreciated. I'll be definitely keep my eyes open for y'all comments. And also make sure y'all subscribe, hit the notification bell. Don't miss out on no content and run the likes up. Every single like counts. And it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. So y'all do all those great things for your boy The Vintage. And yeah, we can kind of redirect our energy towards these Virgil Archives. So again, I'm in a bunch of Discords. I follow a bunch of pages on Twitter or X, and I follow a bunch of pages on Instagram. And one of the main people that I kind of go to for information, let everybody know that there were pairs loaded on the Nike SNKRS app. Like, there were actually pairs loaded. So that's when they say, you know, the pairs will be releasing April the 3rd. Now, all of a sudden, bro, that release, those pairs literally went Houdini. I don't know what happened. And pretty much no SNKRS app dropped today for the Virgil Archives. But I do honestly think, bro, there will be some form of SNKRS app drop here in the near future. It only makes sense. There's plenty of pairs out there, and I think it's still people doing raffles at like Sneaker Politics. Actually, I just got my L for Sneaker Politics, but it's other stores, tier 0 stores around the US that are still conducting raffles and releasing these Virgil Archives. Now, the pairs are going for literally the $500 price range. I checked this morning for a size 9.5. They're going for like 530 bucks. And now, bro, they're going for, still around at $539. I see some pairs in the 500s. Of course, the bigger size in the 600. But a lot of people are like, yo, what do I do? What do I do? Do I pay the resale now? Do I wait? Where are we going in terms of the resale value with these Virgil Archives? And I still think the pairs will drop tremendously. I think the pairs will still drop a little bit more, maybe high 400s, low 500s. So please hold it out, in my personal opinion. Y'all don't gotta take my advice, but it's based off what I'm kind of seeing with the release, with pairs still not even fully released yet. Nike still has pairs somewhere. I don't know where those pairs are, but again, still tier 0 stores are releasing these joints. I've seen a couple of the homies picking up pairs today. So again, there are plenty of pairs floating around, and I hope y'all ain't one of the ones that paid the $1,500, $1,600 for these Virgils, bro. I hope y'all waited it out, and I'm still waiting it out myself, bro. I am waiting it out myself. I think we're gonna get these for a nice, reasonable price. High 4s is cool, you feel me? And I don't mind paying the high 4 because I'm literally not buying any other sneaker this month, you know what I'm saying? And if I do get an early shoe, I'm not counting that towards the April drop. So if that put that something in perspective, I'm not keeping the white metallic 5s. I don't want those. It's another pair releasing that I might be touching early, the UNC 11 lows. Like, you know, those are cool shoes. They definitely cool, definitely clean going into that spring, summertime, but bruh, I only want these Virgils, and then I gotta reach back for the Royal Sport Royal Fragment in LA. So again, bro, those are two shoes I really have high on my radar. I pretty much got all like really the grills I wanted, besides a couple of onesies and twosies. They ain't going nowhere. It's not like the price is gonna be going crazy for those joints, but something to keep an eye out on is these Virgils. Again, me myself, I'm waiting it out. So if I have to, you know, bite, you know what I'm saying, some of the things I'm saying now later and, you know, kind of regret it, I might have to do that. But I strongly believe these will drop a little bit more. I think they're going to drop a little bit more, and they're going to be coming to the collection. So you guys let me know in the comment section, how are you feeling about the Virgils? What do you think the resale is going to do? Where are the pairs Nikes had loaded on the back end? I don't know what happened, bro. I really do not know what happened, but I honestly believe there will be some form of Nike SNKRS App drop for the Virgil Archive Alaskas. That's just my take on it. I don't know if that's, you know, 100% fact or not. It's just a prediction right now because of the pairs that were loaded on the SNKRS app. So we shall see what happens. But I say all of this to say, I feel like we got hit with a huge April Fool's, and it ain't even April 1st no more. But we had a lot of people excited for it. That's why I didn't drop a video yesterday. I was going to, you know, drop a video talking about, are they releasing tomorrow, because we heard so many rumors from like credible sources. And it just didn't seem too for certain because, for one, we haven't seen that, you know, official images on the Nike SNKRS app. There was nothing on the feed about them. But, bro, they coming. I know they going to drop on sneakers, bro. I'm willing to bet anything on it that it's going to be some form of drop on the Nike SNKRS app. It just has to happen, bro. It just has to happen. And before I let y'all go, I already talked about the price on StockX. I typically see that GOAT is a little bit more expensive than the StockX prices. I don't know why. Maybe it's the processing fees, or I don't know what it is. But the main shoe that I'm looking at is these Virgils. And again, over here, they're going for a little bit more, $575 in a size 9.5. But yeah, they coming to the collection, bro. They coming, man. But again, I'm just so excited I didn't pay that crazy price tag. I was going to. I ain't gonna lie. I was sitting up at home like, bro, how much I need to see him. And I was like, hold on, bro, hold on. Let me wait this one out a little bit. You know what I'm saying? FOMO didn't get your boy. But they will eventually be in the collection, man. So yeah, guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video. I've been still over here looking at the washed out Toro 4s. Y'all let me know in the comment section if y'all want to see a full review and on feet. And if I see a comment or two, we're gonna have to break these things out and do a full review for you guys, because I haven't done a full review and on feet and a grip. It's been a while, bro. It's been a while since I did one. I just feel like y'all ain't been watching them, so I'm just trying to, again, put out the content that y'all have been watching, and these are the type of videos that y'all love. So again, I ain't gonna put nothing on y'all that y'all don't want, you feel me? Pause if needed. I ain't gonna put nothing on y'all that y'all don't want, but if y'all want it, let me know in the comments, man. But subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, run them likes up for your boy, The Vintage. If y'all don't know, 3 weeks out for my first bodybuilding competition. Follow me over on Instagram. Been dropping some content over there. Made a movie in the gym today. Can't wait for that to get edited. And you will see that maybe even on YouTube. I might put it at the beginning of a video. Something like that. But yeah, man. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Run them likes up. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.